Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad.
Okay, so what are they saying?
Happy New Year.
I just had an amazing facial. I need to work on my hair now, but look at my skin glowing. I know sometimes we think, I can't pay for a facial. Like, I don't deserve to treat myself to that. A facial is not a treat. A facial is like 100% needed taking care of your skin.
Of course.
It's like going and getting your teeth cleaned,
Exactly.
right?
Right.
It's maintenance, right? You never think twice about going to take your car in to have the tires rotated, to do the oil change. You just know. A facial is kind of like one of those things.
Yes.
But meanwhile, while you're at it, you are taking a little snooze because it was so relaxing and so amazing. So Jenny, you are seriously the guru of aesthetics, of giving the best facial for the individual's skin.
Yes. Customize everything. Right now, I'm doing a cranberry winter facial, and that's what she received. And you know, it's anti-aging. It's a lightening facial and hydrating with a hydrating winter mint mask. And at the end, we topped it off with a peel.
And the cool thing about this peel is, I know y'all get scared when we say peel because you think, I don't want to peel, the holidays are coming. Well, this is a peel that might give you just that tiny bit of flakiness, but I'm not going to peel. I don't have time for that peeling thing.
Yeah, we're in the middle of the holidays.
So this is a great way to get all the benefits without any of that downtime. Get rid of all the dead skin. Oh, by the way, best part is the extractions. Not every esthetician does the extractions.
No, it comes with a facial. I believe in deep cleansing facials, deep pore cleansing.
She cleaned up my brows, which, another thing, most facials, they don't clean up your brows. So you do that, you do waxing.
I do waxing as well.
Back waxing, brow waxing, lip waxing.
Lip waxing, underarms.
If you're hairy and you know it, raise your arm. No, don't do that. You would like to see, in a perfect world, your clients every month.
Yes, definitely. Every month it's the upkeep again. And I usually vary the treatments.
And look at her skin. Flawless.
Thank you.
You are thinking about taking care of your skin, which you should be. If you already have, but you're looking for that customized facial, she does microneedling as well. Another really great way to help tighten up your skin and keep your skin looking youthful. And it's tiny bit invasive, but really no downtime.
Not much, not much. It depends how deep we go with the needles. I also do ProCell, which is a little less invasive, but it's with stem cells.
What a great gift to give somebody. If you don't know what to get them, you're running late on time, trying to order something, ship it, she can get you a gift card.
I have them online as well on my website, so I have e-gift cards.
Could you make that any easier? Facialsbyjenny.com, located at Scottsdale Road and Bell. Come on in and see Jenny. Facials by Jenny. She's amazing. Look at my skin.